Today we are doing Rustic Road 36, which are Cranberry Road and Berndt Road. Road 36 has 3.6 miles of paved and unpaved road. So we're going to see what the unpaved portion looks like. Also, it's kind of shaped like a T, so we might have to backtrack actually and then turn at some point. So we'll have some fun figuring out what this road has to offer. So Cranberry Road actually starts over there and is a dead end. So we're gonna head over there first. I don't think it goes very far. You guys will be able to see that we are right by another Rustic Road entrance. That's either back road or south road over there. We're just going to whip around and start Cranberry Road. Before, well, I know I've driven it, but it's been a long time. But I believe it's a pretty fun road with some good twists and turns. Gated houses on this road. I've noticed that's a common thing on Rustic Roads, is there's a lot of big, nice houses on them. But also the main speed limit's only 45, and this is a 35. Which is a bit annoying, but we'll make do. Forks right here, so we'll actually have to backtrack and head that way on Berndt Road. Just thinking, I wish this road had some better pavement, and there it is, at least for 400 feet maybe if we're lucky. And end. So it just ended all of a sudden right there. Now we gotta find a turnaround point. There's a nice old Camaro in that house over there. Like a 60s. Okay, there was Not exactly sure how to pronounce this one, but that's a nice looking house. $30 mph, but there's a ton of hut signs, so we're okay with that. I always try to stay in my lane when going through these corners on these roads, because the roads are tighter with like lack of shoulder, plus you can't really see around them because you're mostly blind. I think here's a good example of a blind corner. I'd like to take them at more speed and have more fun with it, but you gotta be safe too, and I don't want to hurt somebody innocent just because I'm having fun. Okay, we're coming to the end of R36. As you'll see as we come up, there is a fork and it leads to another rustic road, which we will be taking shortly, but that'll be a different video.